Inti.
And I'm Matthew.
And we are reading 101 Ways to Bug Your Teachers. Almost the parents. So, in today's video,
We just read that Sneeze is skipping
well,
8th grade.
Sneeze, what's his real name again? Was it Steve Wyatt.
Nickname Steve. Sneeze. I can't
Nickname
talk.
is Sneeze. His parents decided
that
he
is skipping 8th grade.
skipping 8th grade when he's in 7th grade, and he can barely even do an Egyptian
History
project, even better. Which is just dumb because I would not even skip in the first place.
Yeah.
Just because
If I had friends in 4th grade and I was about to skip 5th grade and go to 6th grade,
Your water was spilling on your desk.
I
On or in? On.
would not be happy.
I would not want to. I would
I
just
just
say
tell my
I
parents
don't
I don't want to.
Yeah, I would just be like, nope, I don't want to because
It's like I'm not doing that. I want to go
Because
to
I
5th grade
wanna go
so I can do 6th grade math.
so don't be dumb. Because then you'll be like the dumbest kid in your whole entire class you wouldn't really know what you were doing because you skipped
5th grade.
5th grade or in his case 8th grade.
Which is probably really essential to knowing what you're going to do in high school.
Yeah, they probably go over everything that you're doing in high school and stuff. And that's just 8th grade is very important because you're going into high school.
Okay, so
So why is he doing it?
They didn't even say yet why they're switching into
I
high school.
have a prediction on why his parents are doing it. It's because they think he's so smart.
Because he can fix stuff.
Yeah.
And he's an engineer. Or he likes
Are you serious? No.
Yeah, that's just not smart.
Yeah.
They're just like, oh, you're just gonna skip 8th grade because you're so smart. Which, yeah. And he can't even do a single Egyptian history project, right?
Yeah.
He actually thought of mummifying a dead chicken.
I mean, that's a really good idea.
It's a good idea if it works. And if you don't use Band-Aids,
If you use toilet paper, that would look a lot more convincing.
or just bandages, like a bandage wrap that you can wrap around yourself, right? That would work also.
Yeah.
But
But
that's
just Band-Aids? Yeah, no.
That's exactly why he's not smart, because it wouldn't even look good. It would just look like... It would just look... It would just...
we have to go to reading.
It would just be like putting Band-Aids on chicken, and that wouldn't even look right.
Yeah.
That wouldn't even look like you're actually mummified.
If it wasn't a chicken and they used Band-Aids, I'd be not criticizing it as
What
much.
else?
Like a fake person. Like they'd make a
Like a
person
doll or something?
something like that. Yeah.
Like a mannequin or something?
Yeah,
Something.
probably a doll.
Something.
I wouldn't be criticizing it as much. But dude, a chicken.
Yeah.
A dead chicken. Just what?
Yeah. And what does the chicken even have to do with anything? Right?
Yeah.
What does the chicken have to even do with Egyptians? They should have done like a miniature figure of an Egyptian person.
Egyptian person plus bandage wrap equals.
But now they just decided to do Egyptian food.
Yeah.
They just I'm gonna cook some Egyptian food. So
This is Pierre.
And it was Pierre's idea, and he was like, and they have 3 weeks to do it, and they had 5 weeks or something.
No, it was 3.
How long did they have to do it? Like a month or something?
3 weeks.
No, but at the beginning.
I have no idea.
They had either 5 weeks or a month or something. Oh, it was probably like 4 or 5 weeks because at the beginning of the book, he brought in the chicken. It was probably 4 weeks. Yeah. Because at the beginning of the book, he brought in the chicken.
Yeah.
Not like a long time ago. So they probably have like 4 or 5 weeks. Or something.
I think it was 3. Yeah,
Well, now they have 3, so it has to have been at least 4. Because,
So is that our video?
yep, that's basically all.